fair. It is not fair, whatever it may be, but it should be go according to law. But it has not gone according to law. It is not correct.
So, do you see, as far as democracy is concerned, all the MLCs going near the chair?
No, it is not correct.
Pushing the chairman?
It is not correct at all. It is not correct. Nobody has done like this. But it is also not correct.
So the bell was ringing. The deputy chairman was on the chair. Somebody closed the door.
See, who closed the door, I don't know. But bell was ringing. According to government direction, chairman has called the meeting, the house. But subsequently, he has no moral right, according to their statement. No moral right. He has not got the majority. In this, government again directed to deputy chairman to occupy the chair and run the house. According to that, he had gone and sit.
So now the urgent for Saturday?
Yes, Saturday.
Which has happened today.
Very unfortunate. When we requested deputy chairman to preside over the today's meeting, he did it. We are moving a no confidence motion against chairman, and when the no confidence against on himself, he cannot preside over the today's meeting. That was the reason we requested honorable deputy chairman to preside over the today's council meeting. But unfortunately, the Congress people did not allow to happen, and he went on, sat on the chair, and he started the proceedings. Even half of the proceedings he pronounced, but the Congress members behaved like gundas there. They tried to broke the door, they opened the door, and they snatched him out of the chair. Yes. This is what happened, everybody saw today. So this is the culture, what the culture of the Congress is. And we wanted to move the motion. And when already you know that BJP and JDS has the strength here, morally he could not have come and he could not have attended the today's session. So this is very unfortunate, and we are moving to governor now, and we are making a request jointly. BJP and JDS were making a common request to them.
Which happened inside today.
So the BJP and the JDS people made the deputy chairman sit on the chair illegally when the bell was going on. The house was not in order. They didn't wait for the chairman to come. The chairman was waiting for the bell to stop. The BJP and the JDS. It is very unfortunate that the government that is in power, the BJP, is doing such unconstitutional work, and they have made the deputy chairman sit illegally. We as Congress people, we protested that. We asked him to get down from the chair. He didn't get down from the chair. The chairman, then we had to evict him literally, because he was an illegal sitting of the deputy chairman. When the bell stopped, the chairman came. He saw that the house was not in order. He could not control the house, and he has adjourned the house sine die. So any proceedings after this is totally illegal and unconstitutional.